How to make perfect front puff hairstyle. Here is a tutorial on how to make a perfect front puff hairstyle yourself. This is an easy, simple and elegant perfect front puff hairstyle, which you can do in daily routine or party as well. I am using an artificial poof to make it very perfect and correct shape. Using an artificial poof in hair makes your poof stay as it is all day long. You must use an artificial poof when you are planning to make this style for party or ceremony. Keep in mind that this front puff hairstyle is good for those having a small forehead because it makes your forehead look bigger. This front poof hairstyle is for beginners. This style is great for both medium and long hair. Make a poof and pin up at back of open hair. It looks very cute. Simple and elegant on medium or long hair. To get more videos, subscribe to my channel Beautiful Hairstyles if you like this hairstyle tutorial for medium and long hair. Making a poof is a basic thing which is required in most hairstyles, so if you learn this you can apply it on any other hairstyles easily. Enjoy!